Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you on how to randomly generate password using random.choices and the string modules. So without further ado, let's get started. So create a new file and name it generate password, or maybe you can use the name you want, generate password.py my case. Then we are going to use the module random and the string. So import random, then import string. So again, because you may want any size of the password string you want, or the length of the password you may need. So we are going to create an input that will request the length from the user, and then it generates a length of the given value. So we get the input from the user. So we define a variable length as the input of the string. Enter password, and then because it will be a string value, we are going to convert it into an integer by using int. Then we are done on that. The next step, we are going now to generate the string or the password length using the random.choices and the length given. So string has the string module we imported. We are going to use the string uppercase, which returns the strings with uppercase, like A to Z with an uppercase. Then string digits returns the string with digits 0 to 9. String dot punctuations returns the strings with the obvious punctuations. The other ones are the string dot letters, and the last three we are going to get the string with the lowercase. The first one was the uppercase. So we are going to combine all those strings into one, then generate the length using all of the combinations. So let's get the password. Password is equals to random.choices, then string. Now we are going to pass two arguments or the parameters to this function choices. The first parameter will be the strings that we are the combination of the strings we want to generate randomly, and the second parameter of the argument will be the length. So we are going to combine all of them. The string dot ac double I underscore uppercase, that's going to generate string with uppercase A to Z. The other one is string, so we are going to use the addition, string dot digits 0 to 9. Then we combine with string dot punctuations or punctuation. The other one is string dot ACI underscore letters, string dot ACI underscore lowercase, because it's so big in length, so I'm going to make it 2 lines. So the next one, now after you do the combination of the strings that you are going to use, we separate the first argument, now the strings, with a comma, and the second argument of the parameter is k. K is equals to the length we just got from the user input. And with that, we got our password length according to the length that will provide when we run the program. Again, this password returns a list, but we are going to join each and every single character from the list to form a one string. So we are going to use the join password is equals to join is used to loop through the password list, each and every character from the password list and joins them into one single string. So we pass in an argument of the parameters password, this one, now the list password here above. We are going to pass it into the join function, which loops through this list, each and every character, and joins them into a single string. So we are going now to print the password. Okay, and with that, so let's run the program. So hit a new terminal. Let's give it some support so it can open. So Python. So let's clear the Python generate underscore password dot by. So enter password length. Let's pick like 9. Module string has no attribute punctuation. Did you mean? Sorry. I spelled the word string dot punctuation wrongly, so we are going to copy and paste, replace the one that we used. So sorry for that. Let's clear, make it look presentable. So run again. Let's just pick it. It's not punctuation. Oh, I didn't save. Sorry. So you can see the password is generated. Let's run it again. Now without the error. So let's run now. I input the password length 8 and you can see it generated a combination. So you can generate like any type of string you want or the password as you may define it. So and it gives a very unique password that's not any human being can guess easily. So and that's all for generating random strings of password using the module random and the string. So please guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.